Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the workspace safe and organized. Unplug the console and clear a flat area. Once done, remove the hard drive and faceplate, then unscrew the 6 outer screws so you can lift the top shell. This exposes the inner frame. You use a spudger to gently pry open plastic clips. The why is simple. Forcing the tabs breaks mounts and adds repair cost. Make sure to keep screws sorted so reassembly is straightforward and you don't lose grounding. Next, you remove the RF shield and DVD drive bracket to access the motherboard. Once done, carefully detach ribbon cables while noting their orientation so reconnection is foolproof. You then unplug power and fan connectors. This prevents shorting and keeps the board safe during clamp removal. After that, unfasten the 4 X-clamp screws holding the metal frame. Make sure to lift the frame evenly because uneven pressure can. To finish, you remove the old X-clamps and clean the CPU/GPU surfaces so thermal contact is restored. Why this matters is heat transfer efficiency, which prevents recurring failure. Apply a thin, even layer of quality thermal paste, seat replacement clamps, and torque screws evenly to avoid bending the board. Once reassembled in reverse order, reconnect power and test the console before snapping on external panels. If it still won't boot, check ribbon seating and thermal paste coverage as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.